Now let's look at finding the 11th term, or just any random term in general. But to find the 11th term, you'd still use the same formula we just saw, that explicit formula. Remember, it was a sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the power of n minus 1. Well, in this case, we know that a sub 1 is negative 122, and our r, we're going to get the r by taking 115.9 and dividing it by negative 122. So we'll go over to our calculator here, and we'll take the value of 115.9. We're going to divide that by negative 122. Now I'm going to be careful when I press enter, make sure it looks correct, and it does. So it says my ratio is going to be negative 0.95. So each time it should get multiplied by that. Let's make sure. I'm going to take this 115.9, multiply it by that, make sure we get this term here. So we take the 115, excuse me, 115.9, and we're going to multiply this times that answer. And it says the next term should be negative 110.105. Yep, that's right. Now if we wanted to find the 11th term, we're just going to use this formula here, and we'll plug in 11 for the n. That's all we'll do. So I'll come back to my calculator. The formula would be negative 122 times negative 0.95 to the power of 11 minus 1. I press enter. There's my value there. So we could say the 11th term, and this is how you'd write it again, a sub 11 would equal negative 73 point, and did it tell me anything to round to? No, it doesn't. So I'll round to the nearest thousandth, which is 0.46 would be my value. Okay, now you try to find the 25th term given this sequence.